Christopher Hicks from Big Bear Tech World, and I'm going to be showing you how to use Recently Used in DoorKnockerPal. So let's start on the home screen of the app. Scroll down to Recently Used, and then you will see that I've got some Recently Used already in here. And you'll see the church streets up top on the doors. Let's go to the doors. Let's go to John Doe right here. Let's go back home to the Recently Used again. And then you can see that the doors have been updated, and that is the last one that you recently used or recently went to. Okay, now let's go to visits. So if I go to the Summit lane up here, and I scroll down and I go to this visit right here, and then I go back to recently used, you can see that the visit has been updated, and that's the last one that I recently used. This works on doors and visits, so it's a really great time saver for you to keep up with what you've used. Thank you. Have a great day.